What's up, online shoppers? I have the Aloderma this percentage organic aloe vera gel, and I just received it from the company in exchange for a review, fully packaged. Let's open it up and see what's inside and see what makes this aloe vera gel different from all your other aloe vera gels. Now, an interesting fact I read about Aloderma Aloe Vera Gel: it is processed on site and turned into whatever product they're making with it within 12 hours of harvest. That means you are getting ridiculously fresh ingredients whenever you purchase an Aloderma product. Now, aloe vera is known for its moisturizing and healing properties. One of my favorite ways to use aloe vera gel is for sunburns and for skin irritations like eczema or psoriasis, and I'm looking forward to putting this into action. I also love how moisturizing aloe vera gel is. It's so great for hydrating your skin. So let's get this pumping and see what we get. Now, it has a really nice little pump with a lock on the top, little twist, and it pops open. Now, a pump applicator, super easy. You don't have to worry about it losing a cap, pouring things. It's just a couple pumps and it's on. Look at how thick that is. This is fantastic. Now, aloe vera gel is usually kind of runny, and this is nice and thick. It has just a really fresh aloe vera scent to it. Green, fresh. Definitely not a strong, heavy fragrance. There is nothing in here but aloe vera gel, so all you're getting is the goodness of aloe vera. It rubs in nice and easy. It does not feel greasy at all, and it's virtually absorbed with just a couple seconds that I put it on and I've been chatting with you. Now, one of the things that they say about Aloderma is that it's farm to face, and I think that's really cool. They literally take the aloe vera that they harvest, they process it within 12 hours of harvest, put it in a bottle, a container of some kind, and then it's shipped out to be purchased by people to use on their face for their skincare routines. That kind of freshness is uncommon. Aloderma makes a wide variety of skincare products, and I am definitely very impressed with this aloe vera gel. The thickness, the ease of it absorbing, it doesn't feel greasy at all. It is just really nice and moisturizing on my skin. I think the packaging is really clever with this nice pump, and the fact that you can actually just screw it back in and lock it, so it's great for travel. This will definitely come with me on my next tropical vacation. Aloe vera always comes in handy when you're out in the sun, and I am really impressed with the quality of this product. This definitely leads me more inclined to try more of their products because this one is awesome. If you're looking to get your hands on a nice organic aloe vera gel, this one here from Aloderma, with their farm to face mentality where everything that they grow is harvested and then processed within 12 hours of harvest, you couldn't ask for a fresher product. I'm really happy with this. I think this is going to be a family favorite at my house.